Welcome to the retreat at Love Creek, a picturesque, fully developed community nestled amidst mature trees and tranquil ponds. This exceptional neighborhood offers an array of amenities designed to enhance your lifestyle and provide endless opportunities for relaxation, recreation, and connection with nature. At the heart of the community, you'll find a welcoming clubhouse, perfect for hosting gatherings, events, or simply enjoying time with friends and neighbors. Dive into the refreshing waters of the community pool, where you can swim laps, soak up the sun, or simply unwind with a book by the poolside. The retreat at Love Creek offers an exceptional living experience, combining natural beauty, a sense of community, and convenient amenities. Come, discover your new home.